Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive BMW M8. Begin by adjusting seat, mirrors, and steering column to ensure full control and clear sightlines. Walk through the instrument cluster so you know where drive modes, traction control, and engine temperature are displayed. Explain basic controls like adaptive cruise, paddle shifters, and parking sensors. Give a calm checklist to follow before every drive so you feel confident at the wheel. In this video, I will show how to drive BMW M8. Start by explaining the differences between comfort, sport, and track driving modes and when to use each. Describe how throttle response, steering weight, and suspension firmness change across modes. Demonstrate engaging sport or track for enthusiastic driving, but remind viewers to respect speed limits and road conditions. Offer a tip about easing into track mode to get used to sharper responses safely. In this video, I will show how to drive BMW M8. Emphasize smooth inputs, brake progressively, downshift using paddles when needed, and avoid abrupt steering mid-corner. Describe heel and toe only for experienced drivers, and recommend practicing gear changes in a safe area first. Explain how to modulate throttle on exit to control oversteer tendencies and how ABS and DSC support you. Finish with a reminder to practice gradually and prioritize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.